Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to create a highlight on your Instagram account. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Instagram account, and then here, let's click on the profile icon at the bottom, and then here in my profile, let's click this icon that says new. So in order to add a highlight, we'll have to choose on the posted previous stories. So we'll have to choose here on what we want to add on my highlight. And here we can add a title for our highlight. So as you can see now, the highlight is already added. And if you want to edit your highlight, you just have to press and hold the highlight that you want to delete, and these options will appear. Just click on the edit highlight. And then here we can edit our cover photo. So let's try editing mine. Okay, and then click on this icon at the top. Then click on done. So as you can see here now, the cover photo is edited. If we want to add more highlights, just click on this stories option and then choose the stories that you want to add to your highlight. So as you can see, the stories that I have checked is added to my highlight. So that's how easy you create a highlight on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.